English journey. Everyday English phrasal verbs. Keep on. Continue doing something. Keep on practicing your English and you'll improve. Lucy kept on working despite the distractions. Look up. Search for information in a book or on a computer. If you don't know that word, look it up. I had to look up his address on the internet. Put on. To put a piece of clothing on your body. Put on your jacket, it's cold outside. She put on a beautiful dress before the party. Look after. Take care of. Emma looks after her baby by keeping a regular feeding schedule. Can you look after my dog this weekend? Pay back. To return money. I'll pay you back as soon as I get my paycheck. It's time to pay back the debt. Grow up. To become older or an adult. Andy grew up in a small village. My kids are growing up too fast. Hang out. To spend time in a particular place or with particular people. We can hang out at my place after class. Do you want to hang out with us this weekend? Cool down. To relax after being angry. When you're angry, try to cool down before speaking. He needs time to cool down after the argument. Warm up. To prepare your body for dancing, sport, etc. You should warm up before jogging. The athletes are warming up on the field. Check out. To leave a hotel after paying the bill. Don't forget to check out of the hotel by noon. Did you check out at the hotel? Give up. To stop doing something. My brother gave up smoking last year. After 2 hours of trying to solve the puzzle, I gave up. Run out. To use all of something and not have any more left. Tom often runs out of money before the end of the month. We've run out of milk. Could you buy some? Put off. To delay doing something. We have to put off our meeting until next week. He keeps putting off going to the dentist. Run into. To meet someone by chance. I ran into an old friend at the mall today. Have you ever run into someone famous while traveling? Stand up. Rise to one's feet. Could you stand up and speak louder? Stand up when the judge enters the room. Look forward to. To be excited and pleased about something that is going to happen. I look forward to our meeting next week. She's looking forward to the holidays. Show up. To arrive. He always shows up for class on time. Do you think many people will show up if it rains? Sit down. To be in a sitting position. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. She sits down to tie her shoelaces. Pick up. To lift something. Can you pick up the pen for me? She picks up the phone when it rings. Hold on. To wait for a short time. Hold on a minute, I'll be right there. Can you hold on while I grab my coat? Take off. To remove a piece of clothing. You can take off your jacket if you are hot. Alex takes off his shoes at the door.